great day for a drive, especially in this 2017 Toyota Tacoma in silver. It has black cloth interior, seating for 4, and it has 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and about a 5-foot box with a tonneau cover. You also have heated seats, and this has a V6 engine. It's a 4x4 with an automatic transmission. It also has a trailer tow hitch, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to look under the hood and inside and out. This is a V6. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. We're in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. You have your 400-watt AC 120 volt, all-weather mats on the floor, and the steering wheel can tilt. On the face of the steering wheel is your volume control and your mode, hands-free dialing, as well as your menu. And you also have cruise control. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages will appear and your odometer reading. There you go. And you can also go back through the menu for different options in there, and they have sub menus as well. And you're seeing the temperature outside. It's a little chilly today. And then on our display screen we have AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM and Bluetooth. You can go home by pushing this button. Your CD player's there and your audio's off, and you're seeing the map come up. Now, sometimes what happens is you have the map, but you don't have the ability to actually use it without the card. And we can go in the destination points of interest here, and we can say we want to be in BC, near here, recreation and attractions, and then it'll tell us the different things that are there, and we can actually push on them so they're preset, or you can preset them if you'd like, and then you've got your map, and then we can go, and it'll set it up for you. And there you go. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view, and this is right off the back bumper there. The red line tells you if you're getting too close to something as you go in reverse. I'm going to put us in park just for safety's sake. Heated seats for both driver and passenger. I'm loving that today. And you have your 4x4 here. Here's your temperature, dual climate control, front defrost, AC. And then down below you've got your auxiliary. Again, my fingers are kind of frozen here. USB and auxiliary line in. And then you've got a 12 volt there. There's a bin, couple of cup holders, your automatic shifter, emergency parking brake, cup holder. Your armrest opens up. There's a 12 volt in there and lots of room. Locking glove compartment. And you also have your garage door opener there. Auto dimming rear view mirror. You have your, this would be like a hill descent. Your 4x4 traction control. The lighting controls on and off there. And then there's crawl there. And then on your body, on the passenger side, is a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. In the rear, you have a manually sliding window. 15-inch wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap, and you have a black handle that extends to your tailgate. The backup camera's beside the handle to the left, and the lock is to the right. You have a forward 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and you've got this nice tonneau cover. And then when we want to open it up, just put your hand in the latch, and it comes down very easily. You've got this nice line box, and you've got tie downs in there as well. You've got an outlet off to the side here, and you can see that. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, and there's seating for 2 in the back, and they both flip up to reveal underneath that there's a little bin here, and you can open this up, and they just twist this and then take it up. The jack's in there, and then you have a cubby on the other side, and you can just lock those up. And then you just push the handle and it'll bring the seat right down. There's anchors at the base, and your seat belts are off to the side in this little console, which is kind of handy. And you've also got a bin. Nice all-weather mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You also have a couple of cup holders back here. And as well up top, you have lighting, there's hooks in the back, and you also have access to a sliding window. Mud flaps, about a 5-foot box with a tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.